What's up guys? In today's video, we are going to learn how I made this kind of videos for absolutely free. Let's check out these two videos.
Omni Transform.
Omni Transform.
And with just some simple prompt and some image generation, you can generate this kind of videos absolutely for free using SeaDance 2.0. I'm using this model for absolutely free with just signing in with your Gmail account. So without wasting time, let's head towards the main process. Here I'll show you that I have some image. Let's open this image first. You can see I have this image of my character avatar. So this is just the side view and straight view, and it's set up in some sort of grid. So, and there is another image, which is this one, the robot and the car. You can generate your robot or your car according to your own preference, and I will guide you and I'll make you learn how to generate image just like mine, exactly same like this. And always be careful to rename your car robot image as omni.png. Let this image be whatever it is, just rename it as you want, but keep this image as omni.png here. So this will help you, this will help the AI model to detect the image properly. So always, if you use my prompts, be sure to rename this image as omni.png. And also, this one image that you have to add both of the image together, set up like this. So below there is this image, this will be your character image, and this will be your robot with the car image. So just add both of these images together and combine it to main reference image. So also rename this whole image as main ref image.png. This because this image, main ref image.png and omni, these two are mentioned in the video prompt. So let's have a look at the prompt. So there I will be uploading, or I'll give you the links to these two prompts for free. This is my prompt that I use based on my character preference, my image name, where you can see that I use this video prompt, also my images. So this is the mother prompt. Let's have a look at the mother prompt. So there is these two prompts. You can see one I used to generate my videos and one I have made for you guys. So you just need to do something that I will guide you. You can see that. Let me just turn off this preview pane for a little bit and let's go watch it again, the prompts. So this one is the mother template and this one is my version prompt. Here in this mother prompt, you can see that there is the image guide too. So I will tell you how to do this. But before that, here you can see in this line, there are some white highlighted areas. Here you have to drop your PNG name. So it says car description based on car image.png. So here you have to write your image, which was this one, omni.png. And then here the robot description plus matching reference based on robot image.png. You can see that I have written this a white Maruti Suzuki Omni accurate boxy design till this part here from here. So this was the description based on your image. You will have to write the description. So this is what you have to do before you just copy and paste the prompt. And then you can see into a sleek from here, silver Autobot style humanoid robot till this part. So you have to just add these areas manually. So based on your preference. And if you don't want, just ask ChatGPT. It will generate these descriptions for you. So all you need to do is just replace these two lines descriptions, this part, this part, this part, and this part based on your preference images, of course. Otherwise, the result will be just like mine. It will give you results of this orange or this masked man. Okay, so you need to be careful about that. So after that, here in the mother prompt, you will just copy the whole prompt just like I did, and then before pasting it here again on the last part, you can see there again the PNG reference image of the robot color. and then the character type based on the character image. That's all. All you have to do is to play with these two images. These two images. The main reference image, the Omni PNG image. And that's all. So if you understand this properly, then you can easily generate the videos. And now let's generate our images first. So what you will have to do is just here I have written, just save these images, save both of these images, clicking here, right, and then save picture as, just save this image and save this image as omni.png. After that, copy this prompt, copy this prompt, uploading this image, paste it into ChatGPT, paste it here into the ChatGPT, just like this. You will drop this image and paste your prompt here. Not this prompt, it was this prompt. Paste it here and hit on generate, and then you will get your own avatar image, just like I have generated my image. And then drop your car image, this omni png, drop my image first, copy this prompt and paste it here, and then hit on generate. And I have got this image based on my generation, as you can see, but it did not match the color of my car. So I said the color didn't match of each other, and then it generated this image again. So this looks perfect. If there is slight changes, just ask ChatGPT to fix it until you get your preferred result. So when you are done generating all of this, the main reference image, and then your character image, and then this omni png image, now it's time for you to generate the final prompt. So what you need to do is to open the mother prompt and go back to the top and pick these fields according to your car description image and robot description image and then avatar image. So all you need to do is just place these three description into the mother template, and then at the last part also, just here you can see robot color design based on your robot png and character image reference based on your character image. So that's all you need to do, and then copy this whole prompt. For my case, I have copied my prompt, which is this one. Copy this whole prompt, go to a new tab on Google, because now it's time for us to generate our 15 seconds main video, which is absolutely 100% free, and you will need to pay any subscription fee. Also, we are going to use SeaDance 2.0, the best and fastest, quick, consistent video making model. Go to your Chrome browser, search Urban VPN. Also, write extension. So we need to download an Urban VPN extension. Go to this link, Chrome Web Store, and then download this extension. Click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Here, once it's downloaded, you can see that there is a tab automatically opened here. Just close it, close all the previous tabs, go to a new tab, and here on the extension bar you can see you have this extension. So just pin it, click on this extension, it will open up like this, it will be loading, and then it will ask for permission. Just hit on accept. This is a safe VPN extension. Also, it has a lot of free features, you can use it. So you need to select a different country, not USA. You need to select this particular country, which is China. We will be selecting only China. So select China and look here if it's connected or not. Be sure it's be connected. If it doesn't connect, remove the extension from here and download or install it again. Then connect it to the IP address of China. You need to have access to VPN China. And then now go to Dreamina AI CapCut. Just search this on Google and you will have something like this, dreamina.capcut.com. You will enter in this website having your VPN extension connected to China's location, and then click on this. Be sure you never signed up or signed in with Gmail account you're using right now. So let's continue signing up with your Gmail for the first time, and then hit on create now. Here in this corner, you need to sign up. You will see something like this. There's the explore section, create section, asset, canvas, And here you can see that it's selected as AI agent. And if you click here, you'll see AI image video avatar. If you turn off this VPN, and it if you are outside of China, then you'll see you'll only have access to AI agent and AI image, and other options will be automatically blocked. So this is important. Now we will have to sign in. Just click on here, continue with Google. Once you're done signing in with Google, you will see that you're automatically here. So change your model to AI video because we will be creating a video. So you can see there are lots of things here. Now you need to change some settings, which is you need to add Dreamina SeaDance 2.0 past. Use this model. This is the latest model, and then select first and last frame as Omni reference. This is also necessary. If you use first and last frames and you're using a free plan, you can see here I'm using it for free. You haven't subscribed it yet, then you won't be able to generate any video. So be sure to select Omni reference and then select your aspect ratio, whatever you want, reel or Instagram post or YouTube video. I'm selecting this for now, 69 ratio. And you can change your seconds to 15 seconds. I mean, you can have the duration up to 15 seconds. So let's just select 15 seconds. So why should we generate 5 seconds only? Now we need to upload our prompt and the reference images. So I have this prompt, the video prompt and the image prompt. Copy this video prompt fully here till the realism. All the video prompts you can see, except the image prompts. So just copy this video prompt and copy it, select them and then copy it and drop it here. You can change the location if you want. Suppose here I have written this. You can select any other location of the parking lot, and then you will have your own car reference. Now let's drop our images. Here I have these images. So select the main reference image and hit on open, and then add the other reference image, which is the car image. Select this one and then open, and I think that will be it. If required, select this one too. Now keeping all these settings same, hit on generate, and before you continue this notification, hit on confirm and wait for a while till this model generates our video, and let's see the result. So here is our video ready. Let's watch it and let's see the result.
Omni Transform. Omni Transform. Omni Transform. Omni.
You can see the result. The mask details is just same as my mask. So this is awesome. The VFX,
Transform.
the dust control, the lighting, the color grade, and the motion control especially is just, there is no glitch, no error you can see in this scene. Look at my hand placement and the dust around the vehicles. Just look at the transformation scene. I see there is no error. This is perfect. An amazing result. This is the reason why SeaDance 2 is just awesome and beating in the market, competing every other model and just better than every other model in terms of generating motion controlled video. So with the help of this prompt, you can easily make this kind of videos. And here is another version of my same video, which is this one that I have generated using the same prompt with just different images. So let's look at this one too.
Omni Transform. Omni Transform.
So you can see here in this scene the VFX, music, the sound effects, and also you can see the my mask details.
Omni.
And then here in this scene you can see my intro that I'm wearing the same mask, same hoodie, everything is just awesome. So these are just two versions that I made. So I just love this thing. It's actually great with awesome visual effects. And in future, these models will be carrying the video creation AI trend. And we do not need to learn complicated softwares anymore. So in future, years later, these models will be free of cost and different models will come out in the market. So till then, you just need to generate videos, awesome videos like this using different kind of Gmail accounts. So I hope you guys like this video. And the images that I have used and how to generate your image, your avatars, your car, your robot images, as I have already described how you can make this kind of images for yourself using your images. So just comment below on the comment box, just comment whatever you want. If you want this prompt, I will give you the drive link to this prompt. The whole prompt I will drop in the comment box as a drive file link, also in the description box. So be sure to collect it from there. Also comment guys that what kind of tutorial video you want next. And this method was fully 100% free, as I have already showed you how to generate it for free using this site dreamina.capcut.com. So I hope you guys love this method, because this was one of the best tutorials I have ever made using free AI tools, just a single prompt and some images. So comment or how much you like this tutorial and this method, and see you in the next video with another free method. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video so you do not forget how to generate the exact detailed video following the perfect and sequence steps I have showed in this tutorial. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. This is Howzia.